Well, I think fundamentally education is important because we can get so busy doing the things that we've always done that we forget that there are other ways to approach problems, and the methodologies that come with education and thinking and reading what's written in these books by these different experts that have delved in this incredible array of topics that we're going to delve into really kind of opens our aperture and our mind to how to approach the way we think about challenges and to tap into talents and thoughts and expertise that might not be leveraged unless we open those pathways that you can open through education. Well, the students that come here have a lot of credibility in their own right, and really what that allows us to do is to share ideas and to advance thought on important issues to the Air Force and to the Joint Force and to our international partners. And that's Air University.